Hello, I'm Mr. Eldridge. I'm an instrumental music and general music teacher here in Baltimore, and I've been working with the Baltimore Arts Integration Project this summer, and I'm going to guide you through how you should be engaging in the process of selecting the appropriate music for your presentation. Step 1. As previously discussed, your presentation should include 8 slides or scenes in total, and each one has a specific purpose. In addition to your information, your slides should include music from the 1920s and a voiceover you record or type into the Animaker application. Check the resources for this lesson and you will find an in-depth tutorial guiding you through creating your presentation on Animaker. Your teacher will share a link with you that will give you access to a Google Drive that houses about 50 songs from the 1920s. It will be your job to listen to the music and decide which songs best fit the mood you are trying to convey with your slides. Choosing the appropriate music is a major component of this assignment. As you go through the music and listen to the different songs, I want you to keep a few things in mind. I want you to pay close attention to the name of the song and the artist that wrote the song. Look out for words such as rag or blues in the title because these words will actually give you somewhat of an indication of the style and purpose of the music. For example, a rag is a type of dance that was popular during the 1920s, so that style of music will typically be more fast-paced and dance-oriented. In contrast, a blues song will typically be slower and more focused on melancholy feelings that the performer may be feeling, okay? The purpose of this assignment is to convince your audience that the 1920s was either good or bad for women in America. The music you choose will help to convey that message. Each slide should have its own song that matches it. You are essentially creating a musical soundtrack to your video presentation. In addition to the names of the songs, also look at the names of the artists. You will notice that some artists have multiple songs on the list. Most likely that is because those artists were very popular and influential during the 1920s. Take a few moments to just Google artists like Jelly Roll Morton or Louis Armstrong, Fats Waller, George Gershwin, and Paul Whiteman. Knowing a little bit more about the people who created the music will help you to understand their songs and their motivations for creating them. You should be picking at least 8 different songs to accompany your presentation, okay? Each one for each slide. Make sure to refer to the Animaker tutorial I have included with your materials to learn how to add music directly to your slides. I also give instructions for how to add your voiceover in the tutorial. If you follow the steps I've outlined for you in this video, you will be able to find the right music for your presentation. You can also use the guide sheet to help you keep track of various songs and their content. Good luck.